Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use recirculation in this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the climate button. From the following view, let's here use the car icon, the one on the left side. And here you should see the different directions with your arrows. If the arrows is like that, so if you see the internal arrow, you can use the recirculation. Use this when you are stuck in traffic, driving through a tunnel, or passing a dusty area to keep fumes and smells out of the cabin. It also helps cool or heat the car faster, so you can just use it in some situation, but don't use it every day because it's good to have the fresh air in your cabin. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.